Stop using soaps with endless harsh ingredients when you can create your own glow soap using simple ingredients inspired by nature. Your skincare routine doesn't always have to be complicated. Sometimes the most beautiful rituals come from ingredients that have been loved for generations. Rice is a timeless beauty ingredient known to gently smooth the skin, helping to refresh dull-looking skin and reveal a softer, brighter-looking glow. Fennel seed is rich in natural antioxidants that help support healthy-looking skin and bring a nourishing botanical touch to your skincare routine. Castor oil is deeply moisturizing and helps lock in hydration, leaving your skin feeling soft, smooth, and beautifully cared for. Together, these simple ingredients create a luxurious homemade soap that turns every day, cleansing into a self-care moment. If you love creating natural skincare products at home, my recipe book is now available with more soap, body scrub, body oil, and skincare recipes you can easily make yourself. Thank you so much for watching, and enjoy creating your own natural glow.